Hello guys, welcome back to BBP channel. So today I will be teaching you the fastest and also the easiest way to top up your CRO card. So first of all, right, it will be good if you have a UOB Absolute cashback card that will give you a 1.7 cashback every time you top up your Grabpay MasterCard. So in this way, you will be able to earn 1.7% cashback. Then after that, from your Grabpay, you will just directly top up to your CRO card to earn your CRO cashback every time you use the credit card. You can use the credit card in your EZLINK as an EZLINK or your daily needs, like you can use it in the supermarket or even McDonald's, KFC, as long as they provide PayWave or even your daily needs. So it's a very easy and also convenient card for you to use, and CRO is one of the card that you'll be able to earn cashback in CRO tokens. Then with the CRO tokens you earn, right, you will be able to do staking under the crypto.com app or even the exchange for more CRO tokens. Okay, so first of all, you will need to go to your Grab application. Then under here you will be able to see balance, and click on balance. There is this top up here. So under top up, I already select my UOB Absolute cashback. So in order to get the UOB Absolute cashback card, right, you can just apply online and it will deliver to your house maybe 3 or 4 days working days, so it's quite fast. So under here you will just need to click on top up. Okay, top up $50 and click on top up. So once you click on top up, it will say that top up successful. Okay, so currently my new balance is 128 plus, so I just move back. So remember that the card details, so the back is 3991. Okay, so let's move on to the CRO card 3991. One is using your crypto wallet, that you use your crypto to top up your CRO card, but do not use it because there will be this fee. I can't remember what fee is that called, but it will definitely be higher than the method that I'm going to teach you now. Next, you just select your credit card. So the credit card, the first one is the Grabpay MasterCard that you can see on top, right? Then I will just top up 100. As maybe I will just top up 50 lah. Okay, so just select 50 and you click on top up 50. So you will say that there will be 0 fee. Okay, so initially there is 1% fee if you top up your Grabpay MasterCard directly to your crypto.com card. But today, after I watched a TikToker that talk about, I think it's Crypto Papa, okay, Crypto Papa video, he teaches that if you top up your Grabpay card to your CRO card, there will be a 0 fee. Initially you will need to use a catalyst, which is the Revolut card, but right now you do not need a Revolut card already. So it minus one more step, which means that you can directly top up your CRO card using your Grabpay at 0 fee. Okay, so once done already, you just need to click on confirm, key in the password again and load it, and here you go. Okay, so you will take like maybe a few 30 seconds to, once everything is approved, your $50 SGD has been topped up to your card. After that, you just click anywhere, and right now your CRO card has like 78.89 SGD already. Then with this amount, you'll be able to purchase either in the supermarket or even the shopping mall, or for your movie tickets, your Mr. Coconut, or even your McDonald's, and to earn cashback in the CRO. Then with the CRO accumulate already, you can also stake it under the crypto earn. Okay, I will do a more in-depth on how to use the crypto earn in a while. So if you are interested to get hold of the CRO card, you can use the referral link that I provided below, and you will be able to earn a $25 worth of CRO with me. Okay, so I earned $25 in CRO. You also will earn your first $25 CRO if you use the referral links below. Okay, so how to stake for more CRO tokens? You will just need to go to accounts. So under account, there's this like crypto wallet and also exchange wallet and also crypto earn. Okay, so under crypto earn, you will just need to select your crypto earn and click on this plus sign. So under this plus sign, there's a lot of different tokens for you to stake. So you can go to the website and check the rates as well. So different crypto, the rates is also different, and there's like Polygons, VChain, Dogecoin, AVAX, Cardano. So for example, Dogecoin is like giving 3%. So in order to get the 3%, you will need to stake $5,000 worth of CRO in the 6 months in order to get the cards lah. Then after that, if you have like AVAX, there's also 6%. Then Matic is like Polygon Matic is like 12%, so on and so forth. So this is how you will be able to I can consider this as like a DeFi, where you will be able to earn more cryptos just by staking rather than letting them sitting around in your wallet. So this is how you can earn CRO just by using the CRO card, as well as to earn more CRO using staking, or even you can stake your other crypto under the crypto.com exchange and even the application. Okay, so if you stake your CRO under the exchange, there will be like 10% interest, which is much more better. So but every time when you want to when you want to stake, right, you will need like 1000 CRO. But for the application is much more flexible, where you'll be able to stake a minimum of 500 CRO tokens will do. So this is how you will be able to do it under the crypto.com app, as well as the usage of the CRO card. So that's all for today's video. If you're interested in the CRO card, you can watch our previous video, and if you want to interested to get hold of the card and to do some to open an account under the crypto.com, you can use the referral links below. But if you have friends have the links as well, you can use the referral link so that you and him or her, you will be able to get $25 referral bonus. Okay, so if you like this video, remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next BBP video. Thank you for watching. See you and bye bye.
Hello guys, first of all, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our videos, please like and comment below. Don't forget to click on the bell icons and remember to subscribe and click here for more videos.